Hi, today I'm for SONY Xperia 10V and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, hold for a while home screen with your finger, then tap to the widgets icon, and after that you'll see here all of the available applications which widgets you could add. For example, let's add the calendar widget here. Just hold for a while the widget and drag it to your home screen. If you want to move widget on the home screen or between the screens, you should just hold and drag it. To resize the widget, hold it for a while, and after that you could make it bigger or smaller. And to remove it from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.